Hello you guys, today I want to show you how to add numbers very quickly. And first, you just break the number into the small number. Like I have 103, so I can write like 103 plus 3 like that. And 69, I can write 60 plus 9. And 47 I can write into 40 plus 1 like that. So I can add the 160 and 40, sorry. So it's equal to 200, right? So it's 200. So I just add the number 3 plus 9, it's 12, and 12 plus 7, it's equal to 19, so it's equal to 219. This is our answers. So yes, it is the way that you can add the numbers very fast. So I have one exercise for you, and I have 109 plus 67 plus 80. So can you solve this problem in just 30 seconds? Yes, if you can, please comment. Thank you for watching.